In 2025, while everyone is busy flexing AI, Apple pulled a classic move, went all in on looks. And you know what? We are loving it. By now, you must have seen a lot of content around iOS 26. Liquid glass, liquid glass, liquid glass. Enough. Yes, that touch of liquid glass on iPhones is a vibe. But today, in this video, I'm gonna tell you 8 features of iOS 26 that you should not miss. First and foremost, lock screen. It has gotten really interesting. Check this out. I have this picture in my gallery and I want to put it on my lock screen. But what's even crazier is that I can just tap on this button and now this wallpaper is a 3D wallpaper. Cool, isn't it? Adaptive lock positioning. By now you must have seen how this feature works. The clock adjusts itself according to wallpaper. Now here's how to do it. Swipe down from top left corner. Tap and hold on the screen. Tap on plus icon. Swipe down and open Photo Shuffle. Select whatever you want on screen and set the frequency as well. I am setting it on tap. Select use featured photos and then finally add. Check this. On taps, the wallpaper is changing and along with that, clock too. Liquid glass display. Apple said wanna see something gorgeous and gave us this liquid glass flexible sort of look to the entire iPhone. And honestly, it looks beautiful. You must have seen how it has changed the look of the entire Apple ecosystem. The icon customization option has now added clear effect which makes icons look like glass. Apart from all of this, all the menus, bars, icons, toggle, they are translucent and more rounded now. Even this little animation gives you a hint of high quality glass. Very fine small details. Live translation and caption. Now looks over AI doesn't mean that there is no AI at all. Your iPhone can now generate captions and translate in real time while you're talking to someone on a call. This also works in FaceTime and the Messages app. You just need to tap on these 3 dots and then select whatever you want to use. Apple has also revamped Safari and this time it is all over the screen. Like every icon and bar in iOS 26, you get more rounded and bubbly bars at the bottom. And when you scroll down, the screen is even more visible. Next is iMessage. It has also gotten some of that glow up. First up, you can now send polls in the chat. Nice addition, but I don't know why people are getting so hyped about it. To start a poll, just simply tap on the plus icon and create a poll. And you also get a live translate feature within the app. Just click on the profile picture, scroll down and turn the toggle on. And lastly, you can even make the chats look even more personal with a custom wallpaper. The camera app has also been revamped to go in sync with the whole liquid glass theme. Whether I like it or not, that's the story for another day. Press and swipe right for all the camera modes and left for all the video modes. It's a whole gliding with the water vibe that Apple has picked up. Last year, Apple's revamped Photos app disappointed a lot of fans. So this year too, Apple decided to change how its Photos app looks and ended up making it look like Pinterest. There are 2 different tabs now. One for your main gallery with all the photos and another one is the collection with different folders. And watch this. Select a picture from your gallery, tap this button and turn it into a special picture just like how we did it for the lock screen. So here's the deal. iOS just got a whole new vibe. But the best part, it doesn't feel confusing or out of place. It feels like the same old iOS but dressed way better. So if you liked iOS 26, let us know in the comments and subscribe us for more such content. Bye.